Hey guys, just a quick note that the kit that I'm going to suggest that will help you do the at-home labs this semester is on a limited time deal with Amazon. It's $4 cheaper than I've ever seen it. It tends to run $24 and they have it on sale for $20. I'm going to send out much more detail at the end of the week on the kitchen chemistry labs, but this will give you a lot of the tubes that you need. It'll give you the food coloring dyes. It'll give you some of the electrodes that we're going to use in the electrophoresis, balloons that we're going to use in the fermentation. So it's just got, you're not going to use everything, but if you've got kids or if you just like to play around, you can do the rest of the experiments. It's also going to have some of the baking soda and things like that that we will be using. So I just wanted to give you a quick shout out, let you know that it was on sale for $20, and tell you that if you want to get everything, a lot of what you're going to need, quick and easy, you can get that. You can also find a similar kit at Amazon. Just check and make sure it has a lot of these same items that you see in this kit. I'm really looking forward to this. It's going to be fun, and we're going to have a lot of exciting times this semester. Have a great day.